Hi everyone, this is Mohit. Is there grammar necessary for speaking English? If yes, so how much grammar necessary for speaking English? Without any grammar, we cannot speak in English. So let's see in this video. So these points now I am going to cover in this video. So let's subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. So grammar is a very important part of any language, but you should also need to practice listening skills, reading skills, writing skills. So these skills help you fluency and confidence. You don't need to know every rules and along with exceptions in English, like give me book. So this is the incorrect sentence according to the grammar. If I can say please pass me the book, so this is correct sentence according to the grammar. No, but you can use also while you having a conversation with your friends and with your strangers, you can use these words. And also if you are beginner, you can also use these kind of sentences because you are learning speaking English, so that's why you can use. Some grammar rules and exceptions are important, like tense, subject verb agreement, and verbs, as well as common prepositions you should know. So these things help you to elaborate easily correct manner. You should know if you want to speak normally in English. I think you should focus on these four things. As I said, first tense, second verb, and third subject verb and agreement. Last but not least, some common prepositions like should, would, could. These words, when should I use, you should know. If you know, so easily you will able to put your sentences. So basically these rules help you express your thoughts. You don't need to worry too much about grammar. When you have a conversation with your friends or strangers, you can use the informal language while having a conversation. As long as you can communicate with them. You can learn from your mistakes and you can ask from your feedback, so it will improve your English. If you are unsure about something, the most important thing is to practice English. As much as you can practice, have a fun with the language, your English will be good. If you want to speak English in a more formal, such as for a presentation, for a academic, or for a interview, so you should pay more attention for your grammar and avoid the common mistakes, and also take the help of social media like YouTube and online app and website. So these things too much help you for improve your skills. I hope this information helpful to you, and if you have any questions, you feel free to ask me, as well as you can tell me in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.